My gosh, I need to clean this garage. You know, I've always wanted to have a garage full of motorcycles, and now I guess technically I can say that I have one. Even though half of those motorcycles, okay, like most of those motorcycles, is an off-road motorcycle, which is something I never thought I'd own. But anyway, I want to ride that, so I got to get these out of the way. Maybe I can get by with just one out of the way. Any dang way. Oh, there we go. Let's get this thing started. Greetings YouTube, MC Rockett coming at you here from atop my 2019 Kawasaki ZX-6R, and I have missed this bike. It's been pretty cold. I mean, it hasn't been super cold. I live in a desert, but it's been cold enough that I didn't want to ride this bike to work every day since most of my commute is by freeway. But I have been riding a lot out in the desert with my new SSR SR 125 pit bike, and riding that thing so much for the last couple of months and then getting on this thing feels so foreign to me. Why am I in 6th gear? I don't need to be in 6th gear. Anyway, it's kind of late in the day, but it's still in the 50s, and I wanted to get out and just get on this bike and remember what it feels like to ride something with some power. As fun as those SSR pit bikes are, they just really don't have any power. Oh man, but this bike feels good, other than the wind chill, going at speeds of 50 plus. Yeah, another reason I haven't been riding this is I need a new jacket. This field shear jacket that I'm wearing now no longer has an inner liner to zip into it because, well, I've had the thing for 16 years and it finally decided to give up the ghost. The zipper just like tore out of it. So I got to get myself a new jacket for riding, which I'm not going to do like right now, but coming up I've got to do something. Man, it's been so long that my clock is still an hour ahead of the actual time. It's been that long since I've ridden this thing. Of course, I stabilize the fuel. I start it up every week or so. Just start up and kind of rev it just a little bit. Keep up the battery. I know that's probably not the best way to keep up the battery, but it's how I roll right now, at least. Get some gas here. And I'm going. Oh man, I've missed that sound. So this being a new year, I'm making a resolution right now to hopefully be able to upload at least one video a week for you guys. But in order to do that, I need to know what you guys want to see. I mean, I can ride around forever and just talk while I ride around, but I think that gets kind of done to death. What do you guys want to see on this channel? all of you 84 subscribers. I really want to increase my subscribership this year as well. My goal is to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. Can you guys help me do that? That means all you phantom subscribers, you know who you are, all the people who watch my videos without actually subscribing, there's a little button that has a big subscribe on it. Why don't you go ahead and click that right now? Oh man, this thing is so smooth. I mean, people don't normally get on a super sport and think, oh wow, this is so comfortable. But where I've been riding a pit bike for the last 2 months with that really skinny seat that goes right up your butt crack and like almost zero suspension, yeah, this bike feels very plush compared to that. Oh, I almost forgot, with this helmet I have a built-in set of sunglasses. This little switch that I can flip that drops like a shade down in front of my eyes. Forgot all about that. I don't use this helmet when I off-road. I only use this helmet for the street. I'm gonna need to replace this helmet this year too, probably. You're supposed to replace your helmet every 3 years or so. And it's been almost 3 years. What's up, guys? Man, whenever I see other guys out on sport bikes, I almost feel like that nerdy kid that wants to catch up to me. Hey, what you guys doing? Where are you going? Can I come too? You know, that kid on the playground that nobody wanted to be around. Yeah, I'm that guy. No, I hope I'm not that guy. But I definitely don't want to come off as that guy. Oh, and a quick shifter. I missed that. Yeah, when I finally do replace this this helmet, I am gonna miss that sunshade if I don't get a new helmet that has one. Oh my gosh. It's like I've forgotten what power feels like. Holy dang. Oh, big truck, don't pull out in front of me. Good boy. Or girl. I guess it was a Sarah Lee truck. That's a girl. Uh-oh. This person's probably going to want to cut in front of me, so I'm going to let them just... Oh, come on. Alright. I try to be a nice guy when I'm riding my motorcycle. That's one thing I miss on the pit bike, is having a turn signal. Because I have to ride through my neighborhood a little bit to get to the trails. And every time I make a turn, my left thumb reflexively reaches for a turn signal that isn't there. Oh, that's fun. Oh, I guess I could lane filter, but light's probably about to turn green. And those cars are pretty close together. Oh well. What are you gonna do, right? 5-star cam? I don't know what that license plate's supposed to mean. And what is that guy tripping on in there in the passenger seat? Freeway on-ramp. How I've missed the... Jeez. It's kind of a sharp turn to get on the freeway when you're already going 60. October, I think, so like 3 months. Yeah, if I had a better jacket, I definitely have good riding pants that block the wind as well as riding boots. If I had a better jacket, I would ride this thing more in the winter. So I'm gonna have to remedy that. Okay, that was weird to see a stroller just sitting on the side of the road, on the side of the freeway. Man, this wind is cold. Granted, I'm going 90. I gotta get used to handling this thing. It is not like riding off-road. That is a completely different set of skills. Uh-oh. Anyway, this was a fun ride. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better on two wheels. Ride safe.